Alright guys, today we're tuning this 79 Cherokee Chief. It's got a pretty cool engine swap setup in it. Jeep is super nice. It's from the guys at JCR Off-Road. So yeah, check this thing out, it's cool. Alright guys, here's this 79 Chief. This thing is just cool. I love the color. It's like I said, it's from the guys at JCR Off-Road. It's got their steps on it and a bunch of little odds and ends from those guys. Their roof rack. But this thing is a 07 L92, which is if you're not familiar, it's a 6.2. This has got an LSA blower on it. This truck, I should say, has been here before. When it was here last time, it was naturally aspirated, and he told me if it didn't make 350 wheel, he was gonna do some sort of forced induction. We prompted and made 346, and here it is about a year later with the LSA setup on it. Nicely well done. Everything looks great under the hood. Looks like it was meant to be in there. But this Jeep is just cool. He drives this all the time. I see him posting screenshots of it. He's been doing a little bit of the drivability tuning and stuff himself. But you check the interior out. Different seats, center console, obviously. A lot of creature comfort changes, but this thing is just cool. I can't say that enough how much I like it. An old school tack there on the steering column. But just a two-door deal. So, but yeah, still running the stock ECU, doing an HP tuners. Just pump gas for now. He's talking about possibly adding a flex fuel sensor down the road, so see what it does there. I don't really know what his power goals are. We're just gonna see where this thing's at and get all the full throttle stuff taken care of, and yeah, go from there. It'll be a starting point for future upgrades, I'm sure. I don't know what his end goals are with this, or if it's just something that's constantly evolving like most of our projects, right? But yeah, I'm gonna dive into this, see how close his drivability stuff is, and start moving forward with it, make some power polls, and see where we're at. Alright, just wrapped up with the Jeep. Made 450 foot-pounds of torque, 446 horsepower. The numbers to the right there are what it made naturally aspirated. So we gained around 125 foot-pounds of torque and around a little bit more than 100 horsepower. Here's the differences in the graphs. Look good there. So yeah, still can't I just can't tell you guys how cool this thing is. I really like it. I'm not too much of a Jeep guy, but these old Cherokees just have a bunch of character. It's cool. Chevy engine bay. But plus this thing's really well done. Everything's all blacked out. It looks good. Looks like it was meant to be in there. But yeah. Alright. That's it for this one. I'm gonna get this thing off of here and see what we got coming down the pipe next. So subscribe to watch our further dyno videos and ask some questions if you want. I'll try to answer the best I can. I don't own these vehicles that I'm tuning, obviously, so some of my information can be limited on different aspects of it, but yeah, feel free to ask either way. Thanks for watching.